Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets, step by step, so you can seamlessly import data, create dynamic dashboards, and really supercharge your workflow. Whether you want to transfer data or simply view your spreadsheets within Monday, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know the best techniques to link these two powerful tools, and you'll be able to do it with total confidence. Let's jump right in and start with importing your Google Sheets into Monday.com. First, head over to your Monday.com workspace and look for your profile icon. It should be up in the top right corner. Click on that and then select Import Data. This step is all about telling Monday.com that you want to bring in information from an external source, and you'll see a list of options pop up. Choose Google Sheets. Now, Monday.com needs permission to access your Google account. Click on Click to Browse, and a window will prompt you to sign in. Take a moment here. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that actually owns the sheet you want to import. If you have more than one account, double check, because it's a super common point of confusion. Once you log in, Monday.com will ask you to grant access, and you'll need to allow the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this just lets Monday.com read your sheets, not change anything in your Google account. Once you're connected, you'll see a list of your available spreadsheets. If you have a lot in your drive, you can search by name to find the right one. Select the spreadsheet you want and click Select. Monday.com will then pull in your data. Depending on the amount of info in your spreadsheet, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while everything loads in. After the import is complete, you'll see your data neatly structured inside Monday.com, ready for you to organize, filter, or plug straight into your workflow. Importing data this way means you don't need to manually copy and paste info back and forth anymore. A huge time saver that keeps everything synced and tidy. But maybe you don't want to import the data and change it. Maybe you just want to view your Google Sheet right inside your Monday.com board. Kind of like hanging a window on your workspace to peek straight into your spreadsheet. Here's how. Open the Monday.com board where you want that Google Sheet view. Add a new column. You'll be prompted to choose the column type, so select Link. Now, you need the shareable link for your Google Sheet. Go to your Google Sheet and at the top left, click File, then Share to Web. This generates a link anyone or any app can use to view your sheet. Copy that link and simply paste it into your new link column in Monday.com. Now, whenever you or your teammates click that link, it'll open up your spreadsheet instantly. If you prefer a more visual integration, there's a cool alternative. Use the Google Sheets Embed app available in the Monday.com app marketplace. This allows you to actually embed a live view of your sheet inside the board itself, almost like a mini Google Sheet living in Monday.com. Again, you'll need the shareable link you just generated, so the steps are pretty much the same. And that's it. You've now got your Google Sheets and Monday.com talking to each other, whether you want to pull in data or just keep an eye on your live numbers. Remember, it's normal to run into small bumps the first time you try this, so don't stress if you need to double-check permissions or try a different link format. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop a comment below. I always read those and try to help out. Be sure to subscribe for more practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck optimizing your workflow.